In this video lesson, I would like to explain and also give my insight about the topic: is trading Forex a scam? Have you lost all your money? Now, I know that many traders and also many users on the internet have been scammed, and not only on the Forex but also in any other industry. Maybe you have ordered something from eBay or some other selling platform, and you get some, for example, a brick. This is also a scam. So being scammed, it's not only related to the Forex, but you can be scammed online everywhere. But is the Forex scam? Fast and quick response is no, because if it is scam, it would not be existed publicly like it is currently, and also, for example, Wikipedia would not show that it is a foreign exchange market where the currency are exchanged and also traded. So is it scam? It's not, but there is also scammers on the Forex that will take your money and leave without notice, and you will get your money and you will never get your money back. So it is possible being scammed on the internet, on the Forex, and this is something that I would like to show you. Just a minute. Here it is, an article I have written here on the getnotrading.com website. The link will be below in the description, so you can also read more details about this topic, where I share more details. But currently with this video I would like to show you what is my opinion and what is happening on the Forex market when you are being scammed. What are also the ways how to be scammed. Here on the right side I have a chart with the gold against US dollar on the 1 hour time frame, just to show you what is Forex trading. So just quick note, a Forex trading is reading the chart where the price of the certain symbol, and this is gold against US dollar with the price 3 to 1.28, for example, and your goal as a trader on the Forex is to determine will this price go down or it will go up. That's all. So you have 50% chance guessing where the price will go up and down. So what do you do? If you are not a trader, or if you are a trader, you are looking for a way how to make money. On the Forex, if you predict the correct way, for example, I will predict that the price will go down, so I will open one order. Here it is visible. And if the price goes down from the current market price, you can see green line with this order number with sell 1.0, which is visible right here down. If it goes down, I will make money, and this here, the profit column, will be in plus. If it goes up, it will be in minus like it is currently. Let's go to the lowest time frame so you can see how this works. I will leave it like this so you can easily watch what is happening. If the price goes down, that means if you see black candles, that will be great for me because I will make money. This is a virtual account, virtual money, so it is a demo account that I can spend everything from it and then reset again to start again. This is a demo account you can also use for trading. Now, if you are looking for a way how to make money, there are several ways. You can pay someone to trade for you. You give them, for example, $1,000 and you say, okay, trade for me. So if you make money, I will give you 50% of a profit. You give me 50%. And if you earn, for example, $1,000, $500 are mine, $500 is yours. So if there are traders who would like to trade like that, and that is possible because some traders do not have any investment, but they can know how to trade. But many of them do not, but they want your money anyway, just to trade and also lose your money. Now, we can see here inside this topic what I have covered: how to spot a Forex scam. So there is a possibility that you pay for trading signals, that you pay for trading robot, for trading education and managed accounts. So how to spot them, how to avoid them, I will get into that very quickly. First of all, what is a Forex trading scam? It is scam when you pay something and do not get back in return what you have agreed on. So if you pay for a trader to earn your money, and that means if you give them $1,000, you agree that whatever he earns to you, he will give you 50%. But if you agree not to lose that money, then it is his responsibility to return you $1,000 whenever you want. Well, there is most of the time there is an agreement, there is a possibility that he loses everything. But how to avoid that? Well, you need to be aware who is that trader. Does he know how to trade? Does he have some kind of a history record of profitability so he can show you that he is profitable? So if he is profitable, you give him money, and he gives you in return, for example, 10% per month on that, because his history records shows that he makes around 10% on his trading activity. This is some kind of some way of trading, and that is some kind of managed account. That means you give him your trading account with the money on it, and he trades that for you. So for example, if this account has $8,000, $205, you give him that account, you give him an access so he can trade that. So if he earns that money, you can simply withdraw that money to your trading account and pay that trader in return forever you have agreed. If it's 50% of profit, you give him 50% on his trading account or on his bank account. It is up to you. But what happens if you give him an account? Managed account, one of the managed accounts types is this one when you give him access to your trading account, but be aware, being scammed, he cannot take you this money out of this account. It's not possible to take it because this is money with your broker. It is possible that only you can withdraw this amount. But what can happen? This trader can completely wipe this account and you lose everything. If he is not a reliable trader, he will do that, and he will try to make money, but because he's not a very good trader, he will lose everything. Then you have a trading signals, and that means that you pay. For example, if you join some kind of a group, Telegram group or on a website, you receive a daily or weekly signals where they send you entry and exit. What that means, this is the entry level. For example, you get information that 2322.00 is the entry, the exit will be 2322.85, and the take profit will be 2320.57. So you enter in the trade based on these signals, and if they are completely bad signals, you will lose money. But what happens? You pay for trading signals because most of the time trading signals are paid if they are worthy. So there is a possibility that you pay for the access and you never get signals, or you get signals that are very bad. They are never profitable. So this can be one way of being scammed. Then you have Forex trading robot. This means expert advisor, and that means this is the auto trading. For example, if you activate that, you have also possibility to have expert advisor, and this is here visible, where you can put this one and that robot can trade for you. So for example, you go to the website where this Forex trading robot is sold. You pay for that $100, $200, $300, and you expect when you start trading that this robot will trade for you and you will be profitable. What happens? Usually the robot starts to work, and later on in the future something changed on the market. There are some conditions that the robot is not adapted and adjusted to those conditions, and you start losing the money. And then you become again scammed. Well, this is one of the way how you are scammed. Some of the robots are working, some of them are adjusted to the market conditions, and the owner helps you with adjusted robot to be profitable in the future. Well, this is not scam, as you can see, but there are many scammers that will try to trick you and take your money only for the robot and then leave. What happens? They go to the forum, they find some kind of robot, they adjust that robot just to be in line with their, for example, brand, for the to look like their website, it is legit, and they sell you this robot and they disappear, never give you the money back, and they sell you a robot that is not working. This is one way how you can be scammed. Then you have a trading education, and that means you pay for online course where you pay for the access and then never get the results. For example, you do not get any course, but you pay only the money and you are left without any money, or you pay for the course where you get only the simple education which can be available online. So you do not get the value for that money. So it is also possible to be scammed in that way. And these are the four most of the times how you are being scammed on the Forex, and this is something that you need to pay attention. So be aware of the scam. So people are trying to trick you in any way. Most of the time they are asking money from your side to give your money, and they will give you a 50% or 80% of profit back to you. Most of the time it is scam, because it's not possible that the traders are asking money online to give them just in order to trade for you. So be aware of that, and if you are going to invest your money with someone else on the internet, try to make some kind of your due diligence, and that means learn from your own mistakes. First one is here, learn from your own mistake. That means if you can test forex trading by yourself, it is a good way to prove that it is not scam. So in order to verify that forex trading is not scam, you can also see that currently I am in minus, but if you have followed this one here on the chart, you could see that I was in profit. So if I close this order, I will have a loss on my trading account, but if it is in plus, I will make money, so I can withdraw that money on my bank account with my broker. Be aware that your broker is also legit. It is also it is a regulated broker, which you can find online on the internet before investing with that broker, because there are also brokers that are scammers. They take your money and you start trading. When you are in profit, they never allow you to take that profit back to your bank account. This is also possible and visible online with lots of brokers on the forex. This is something that you need to pay attention. Try to learn from yourself, by yourself, how the trading is working, and then later on you will see what is good and also what's not good. Second way is to learn from other mistakes. That means you can learn lots of you have lots of information online on the forum, where you can see more experience from other traders, how they've been scammed. Learn from their mistakes. Do not make the same mistake. Find what they have exposed, which broker, which trader, which websites are very bad. So I try to avoid those ones. Then here is a list what to watch to avoid scammers. False advertising, for example, foolproof, guaranteed 100% success. It's not possible. If you start trading, you will see it's not possible to trade on each trade to be profitable. For example, I have opened this trade, currently is a minus. If I close this one, I am in loss, so I will not be 100% profitable. It's not possible. But if I take another second or third trade, maybe they are profitable and I could be in profit. This could be, for example, 90% of success, which is also possible. Then you have a confusing messages. Reading the message 2 or more times and being clear is the sign something is wrong. For example, if you see a message saying that is impossible to be real, it's really impossible. So this is most of the time it cannot be that pretty with that message. So be aware and try to find online, is there any informations that broker or website or trading robot or trading signals or the group is scam. You'll find lots of informations. Then you have automated trading. That sounds like magic. For example, there is no 100% success rate on any trading robot or expert advisor. I have shown you here that the robot can trade for you. It's not possible. Market conditions are changing, so this trading robot should be adapted also. So this could be also false advertising, and be aware of that scammer. Then you have unverified payment methods, and transaction channels must be secured. This is always online problem. There is also a possibility that you are investing your money on a fake website, on a scam website. So when you invest your money, they disappear. You never get that money back. So what is the conclusion? Is a forex scam or not? It's not. You can see here, currently I am making money. Currently I am $39 in profit. So if I close this one here, this balance, $8,205, would increase to $8,241. So if I close this one, I get this money and I can withdraw this money to my bank account. But currently I am on a demo account by showing you this one. But if it is real with trading broker, you can see it here. I am using IC Markets. You can find the link below in the description. So if you would like to join this with this one, he's regulated. So I already have tested to withdraw the money and also trade with this broker. If it is real money, I could withdraw to my bank account. I will close this order and you can see this is the balance. So if you would like to trade again, simply open new order and open buy or sell, depending what do you expect where the price will go up and down. Not expecting. If you are a trader, you have a certain rules, certain steps to open the trade based on your trading strategy and also a risk management strategy. Now, this is all for this lesson. I hope this has shed some of the light. What is Forex? Is it scam? What usually is a scam in Forex trading? How to avoid that and be aware of bad traders asking for money. That's not a very good idea to invest with someone who is asking money. If you would like to invest with someone, try to find more information about that trader, about that brand, about that website, about that company on the internet. If they are legit, there will be more traders who have already tested that, so you do not need to be the first one to test that. Just try to be aware, and if you are going to invest, start with a small amount of money that you are able to lose if you lose that money. So it doesn't depend to buy groceries to pay the bills on that money. Be aware of that. Well, I hope you like this one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you like this video, click the like button, share with others, and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading.